Today I'm going to give you 3 side hustles that you can get started with right now so you can make $900 plus per day. The great thing about these is you don't need any skills. You just need to pick one, commit to the process and start doing it. Easy. So let's head over to Amazon. Now I want you to type in AGP Tech smartwatch. Check this out. There's 48,681 ratings. Now the average review rate on Amazon is 1 to 2%. So let's say that 2% of buyers have left a review. That means this watch has sold around 2.5 million copies. So you're wondering how this helps you make money. Check this out. I'll click down here on videos. Now click on this second video, which is a review of the watch. I want you to take note of this. See where it says earns commissions. So every time somebody watches at least 30 seconds of this review and buys the watch, this guy gets commission. And the crazy thing is that almost nobody knows about this. It's an amazing opportunity for you to get on board early and start making money from Amazon commissions. Check out this massager. Over 14,000 reviews, so it's likely sold around 700,000 units. And look at this, no video reviews. Now there's thousands of products on Amazon with no video reviews. Opportunity awaits. So how much money will you make? Amazon pays a 2% commission on electronic items. This may not sound like a lot, but let's do some math on the watch that we checked out a moment ago. Of the 2.5 million sales, let's assume that 5% of people watch your video review. That means your video has 125,000 views. At 92 cents per view, you would have made $115,000 on commissions on this product alone. Now let's say you have reviews of 20, 50, 100 products. Everything starts to compound and the commission becomes seriously tasty. If you check out the video review on the watch, you'll notice that it's actually quite simple. The audio quality is average and it's something that could easily be shot on a phone. So there's no reason why you can't start shooting these videos today. To edit your video, grab yourself a free copy of DaVinci Resolve. I'm not going to jump into how to use it because there's plenty of videos on YouTube to get you started. The most difficult part about this side hustle is taking action and seeing it through. So why don't you get started today? If you're finding this video helpful so far, please give the YouTube gods a nudge and tap the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get more content like this to help you make money. Now let's get on to side hustle number 2. It's called drop servicing and it allows you to make money by utilizing other people's skills. Now the key to making serious money with drop servicing is to pick high ticket items. Think SEO, digital animation, 3D modeling, the kinds of services that demand high rates. Let's take a look at SEO as an example. According to Ahrefs, the most common retainer for SEO is $500 to $1,000 per month. Now jump over to Fiverr Pro. Here's an SEO package starting at $45 per month. So you might see what I'm getting at here. What you need to do is sell SEO services for $500 to $1,000 per month. When a client pays you, jump onto Fiverr Pro, order yourself a reputable SEO package and you pocket the difference. Now I know this works because I've actually done this myself. Let me show you how. First you need a website. Sites like Squarespace make this super easy. And no, this isn't a Squarespace ad, but I've used them to build multiple websites and they always look really awesome, so I would happily recommend them. And if you're not savvy enough to build yourself a website on Squarespace, jump onto Fiverr and find yourself a developer who can do it for you. Here's one starting from $80. Next, you need to market yourself to local businesses.
They want to be found online.
And they do actually need SEO. The problem is that there's countless number of people contacting them from all around the world trying to sell them SEO services. So you need to stand out. You need to approach local businesses in a warm, friendly manner. By starting in your local community, you can build a reputation and develop relationships with businesses. This makes it much easier to establish yourself as a member of the local community offering quality SEO services. I always found an easy way to warm businesses up was to do a flyer drop. They're easy to make and super cheap to get printed. Once you've done a flyer drop, you can visit the local businesses face to face and introduce yourself and the services you offer. Posting on local forums and community pages and offering helpful advice is another great way to start to build authority within your niche. Just make sure that you don't spam It's not about trying to put as many ads out there as possible. It's about being helpful and building authority so that people in the local community know that they can respect you and trust you. At the end of the day, it's all about building trust. Now, if these aren't your style, run some Google ads. These can be useful anyway to help people actively searching for SEO to find your new business. Once you have a handful of clients, the referrals will start rolling in and things become a lot easier. Now, if you want growth and longevity, it's really important that you offer quality services. This is not about ripping people off. It's not about buying services really cheap and selling them at a ginormous markup. It's about offering quality SEO services and managing them for the clients. You just happen to be savvy enough to access people who can do the work for you. At the end of the day, you need to give clients results. So don't go out there and pick the cheapest services that you can find on Fiverr and those kind of sites. Only pick reputable sellers who you know you can trust, because at the end of the day, they essentially are the people doing all the work for your business. And if you want to succeed, you need to offer a great service. This whole approach is highly scalable, and I know of SEO agencies using this to make hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. This is a fantastic side hustle for you to start that could turn into a full-time career for you. For this next side hustle, let's head over to Etsy. Check out this sticker shop. Almost 194,000 sales. This store has turned over high six figures just from selling stickers. And now if you take a closer look, you'll notice that most of their stickers are just words, which are super simple to make. So I can hear you say, but I'm not a designer. And that's great because you don't even have to be a designer to make this side hustle work. Open up ChatGPT. It's free, so sign up for it today. Let's ask it to give us 10 short, funny mantras. Here we go, there's some good ones already. If nothing jumps out at you, simply type "tell me more" and it'll spit out some more mantras for you to pick from. Now let's pick this one. I'm not lazy, I'm just conserving energy. So I'll copy that. Now you need some graphic design software for this. I'm going to use Affinity Designer, but it will cost you money. You can do it for free, however, with software like Vector, GIMP, or Vectornator. The process is basically the same, so I'll show you how I do it. So I'll create a new document, then copy in our text. Now scroll through until you find a font that you like. You can find more fonts on Google Fonts or sites like DaFont if you have a specific look in mind. Scale it to fit, and then add an outline. Now you can export it as a PNG, and you have a sticker mock-up to post onto Etsy, along with a file to send to printers. Now all you have to do is Google print-on-demand services in the region that you're selling in. A few that spring to mind are Printful, Printify, and Gelato. Now you can list your stickers on Etsy and other online stores. It probably goes without saying, but you're not going to make a lot of money with one sticker. Where the real power in this lies is that it's super easy to create hundreds or even thousands of stickers. So you need to repeat the process and continually post new designs to Etsy until you've built yourself a store with thousands of different designs. At that point, you should have yourself a store that's making some really great money. There you have it. That's 3 side hustles to make you money in 2023. Now I only skimmed the surface of each of them. It's time for you to do your own research, learn more about them, and put a plan into action. And if you found this video helpful, please click the like button to give the algo a little nudge in the right direction. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more content like this, and let's get you making some money. Bye.